Okay guys, welcome. Paulo Media here. I hope you're having a nice day and you are doing well. Okay, in this video today I'm going to be teaching you how you're going to be buying and selling crypto using bybit.com. Okay, so we just go to bybit.com and it brings us here. If you are new, you may have to sign up, okay, and then verify your account. I'm going to show you everything. Or if you're not, just log in and then follow the procedures I'm going to give you. Now, you must know that Bybit has the Apple, okay, iOS version, the Android version. Okay, so if you're using a mobile phone or a laptop, you may need to download whichever way the case is for you. Okay, so please, if you are new to this channel, Paulo Media, please try as much as you can to subscribe to this video. That's the only way to encourage me. Subscribe to this video, comment, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to join my Telegram and WhatsApp group, because I drop certain informations there. You will be the first to know what is happening, what is working, how you can make money via crypto and any online business for that matter. So now, without much further ado, let's go straight into it. So if you are new, just click on sign up. First of all, before you do that, you're going to use my referral link. I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. It's right here. Okay, very simple, just easy to log in. Okay, so you click on, you've been invited to join Bybit by a friend. Sign up now and receive $20 welcome bonus plus exclusive reward worth up to 4,000. So don't just go straight. You saw when I went straight. Okay, let's try. So you see what I'm saying. If you just go straight to Bybit, you won't see anything like that. If you click on sign up, you won't see anything like that. Okay, so but if you use my referral link, you're going to get $20 welcome bonus. Okay, and then there are so many other good things you can get. Let's take a look. Okay, you can see that here, new beginning, exclusive 120 reward, 4,000, $30 for grabs. You will be able to participate in a lot of things. So don't forget to use my referral link in the description of this video to sign up. Okay, now that being said, let's go straight. I'm going to log into my account and okay, I'll log into my account. Okay, I'll log in. Follow me. Now you can log in when you have signed up. Okay, remember, you sign up and then I think I didn't finish up that sign up. Let's go and finish it up. I think it's better that way. So you understand. So sign up today. You click on sign up today, and then it will prompt you to enter your email address, your password, and then continue. Okay, so once you do that, the next thing will be for you to verify your account, which I'm going to show you when we are inside the Bybit. So now I will sign in to my account. Okay, click and drag. Okay, now we're here in my account. Okay, we're here in my account, and I'm going to show you around. Look at it. I do not have any money here at all. We're going to buy. In the process of this video, I'm going to do a comprehensive tutorial for you, so follow me gently. So there's no money here, so we're going to buy. So number one is you sign up using the referral link in the description of this video. Number two is to verify your account. Okay, so let's go over. Let me show you where to verify your account. You click here and then you click on settings. Okay, you click on settings, it will bring you this way. Then you click on account and security, it will bring you here. So these are the many security verification. Your profile, you have to add a picture. If you have not verified, everything here will be orange color, this color. Okay, now but because I've verified everything, that's why it has turned black or gray, as the case may be. So you can see that marked good, I've done it. Email authentication, I've done it. SMS, I've done it. verification number 1, number 2, number 3, I've done that, and the password settings, I have done them. So I am secured, and then I'm able to do whatever I want to do. Okay, now that is it. So you go ahead and do them one after. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You are verified in all of this. You put your click here to put your picture, click here to verify your email address, click here to verify your phone number, enter your phone number, so that when you want to log in to your account, they will send you code with which to verify. Then identification, they will request for your national ID card, or your passport, international passport or residential permit, as the case may be, and then verify your password. Okay, and you are good to go. Once everything here turns green, then you are good to go. So the next thing will be to buy USDT or BTC, as the case may be, on Bybit. Remember, if you are getting value in this video right now, if you've been able to understand so far what I have said, let me recap again. Number 1, I said sign up to get a $20 bonus. Sign up using my referral link in the description of this video. Number 2, I said verify your account so that you'll be able to do full-fledged business on Bybit. Okay, so having done that, I now brought us back into our account. Okay, so here the next thing would be for us to buy crypto into this account. Okay, so the next, we'll click on buy crypto, click on P2P trading, 0 fees. Okay, click on it. Now we're here and we want to buy. Okay, we want to buy. You see buy, you click on buy. You can put, you see sell, you click on sell. Okay, you want to buy or you want to sell, which of them? So presently you can only buy USDT. Now let me show you why. Look at this. Nigerian naira is going to change if I click BTC. That means on Bybit you cannot buy BTC via P2P presently. You can only buy when it's available. So if you type NGNG, it is not there. Ethereum, the same thing. Type NGNG, it's not there. Go back USDC, the same thing. NGNG. So the only thing you can buy presently on Bybit is USDT. Okay, buy USDT, change it to NGN, which is Nigerian naira. Okay, now for the sake of this training, I'm going to just buy a little portion. Okay, just a little portion of this USDT on Bybit, just to let you know, set the record straight and show you how to buy. Very easy. Okay, so if you're getting value yet in this video, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share the video with your friends, and please encourage me. That's the way to encourage me. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is to buy. Okay, now if you click on buy P2P, okay, buy, you're going to see so many buyers, so many sellers. You can see them. Decency Crypto, Nolly Blaze, Waldos, Otedola, Jimmy Josh, Steve-O, Crypto Sugar, and the rest of them. Okay, but you're not buying from anybody. You're just, how much are you going to buy? For example, how much do you want to buy? Let's say, for example, I want to buy like 10,000 naira. I will type 10,000. Which payment method do I want to use? Bank transfer. That's the only thing. Okay, and then I'll click on search. So it will show me the persons who are selling within 10,000 naira range. Now I'll scroll up. Let's start from here. You see Jimmy Josh, 98% available. He's selling limits 500 to 74,000, which means I can buy from this person by clicking on buy. Steve-O, limits 450 to 100,000, which means I can buy 10,000 naira from him. Crypto Sugar, 450 to 100,000. Runiel, 10,000 to 10 million. Okay, you can see that. So the more money you have, the more. If I want to buy 100,000, you see that you will not see these persons again. For example, because maybe they do not have up to search. You can see that. Crypto Sugar, Runiel, Jimmy Josh. You can see that, right? So I am just buying a little, just for the sake of this training. Only two USDT. You can see that I can buy two. How about one? Let's try it. I can buy one. How about 5 USDT? Okay, I can buy 5, meaning nobody wants to sell only 5 USDT. Some persons want to sell from 10 upwards. Okay, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm going to buy 7 each. Let's say I want to buy 2,000 naira worth. I'll search. So you see that I can buy 2,000 naira worth. I can even buy 1,000 naira worth for the sake of this training. Okay, you see that Nolly Blaze, just 1,000 naira worth at 737. Okay, at 737, but I want to get more, so let me 1,000 naira worth is okay. Okay, it's okay. It's enough for the sake of this training. Now, I have a lot of persons to buy from, but not from all of them. Please watch. Look at the advertiser. Presently, I cannot buy from this guy because he's been active in the last 1 hour and his percentage is 0. But look at this C crypto, 3,040 orders, which means he has sold and bought over 3,040 times here, and he's online, so I can easily buy from him. Okay, so I'll just click on buy USDT. I will pay 1,000 naira, then I will receive 1.355 USDT. Okay, so I'll click buy. You can buy any amount. Now look at it. Complete your payment within 14 minutes 50 something seconds. So the time will keep ticking. So look at it. Please complete your payment within 14 minutes, otherwise the order will be automatically cancelled. So we are in step 1, complete your payment. I'll scroll down to see his account details. You see the order info, 1,000 naira, price is 737, and then I will receive 1.3 USDT. Now, the payment method accepted by the seller. So I'm going to do bank transfer. Now look at bank transfer. Please note that cross-border transfers may be delayed. In addition, we kindly suggest you choosing an accurate bank facility. So I'll use bank transfer to show me his bank. So you can see bank name Nabike Uwu. I think I want to try the second one to see. I'll try the second one. Okay, the same thing, VFD Microfinance Bank. Ayowo Microfinance Bank. Okay, so see what he's saying. Type Ayowo in your bank app. Okay, so now let's make the payment. I'm going to go to my phone, my app, make the payment, and then return to this video. Okay, I'm going to make the payment and then return to this video, so we continue with the class. Is that okay? Okay, so let me pause and then. Okay, I have made the payment already. Okay, I have paid 1,000 naira into this account, so I'm going to click on payment completed. Okay, pay 1,000 naira, receive payment method. I understand that clicking on payment completed before a successful payment may be caused, the account to be restricted, so click on acknowledged. Okay, now I have submitted that I have made the payment, so I will now wait for Nnabuike to release the coin in the next 10 minutes. Okay, Nnabuike, yeah, that's his name, Nnabuike. I'll wait for him to release the coin. Once he releases the coin, you can see that he just released it. It didn't even take up to 2 minutes. Congrats, you've bought 1.36 USDT. You have successfully completed the order. So I'll click on OK. Okay, which means the payment has been completed. And let's check our account and see if we have any money there. Remember, there was no money here before. Deposit success has satisfied. You can see that. Nice business. Good job. I'm just rating the guy. Okay, so here we are. You can see that, see the balance. Initially it was 000 all through. Okay, so that is how to buy USDT on bybit. No matter the amount you want to buy, you can buy from bybit and sell on Binance. It's usually lesser here and higher on Binance, so you can buy on bybit and sell on Binance. Please, if you have any question on the procedures I just followed in this video and you want to ask, please do not hesitate to ask me on the comment section, or join my Telegram group, join my WhatsApp group to learn more and more of the things you need to know as it relates to crypto trading, buying and selling. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you did enjoy yourself. Don't forget what I said. You want to sign up for a Bybit account, use the link in the description of this video. Sign up by putting your email address and your password, and automatically, once you are signed in, come to settings. I just want to recap. Go to account security, and then here you can go ahead and set up, upload your picture, do your email authentication, SMS, ID verification, your national ID card, your NIMC, your passport, international passport, your residential permit, as the case may be, your password, and you will be fine. Okay, that is that for today in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to comment, do not forget to like, and do not forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you. I'll see you again. Bye bye.